Hey everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to add a custom watermark like a logo or a specific image right into your Google Sheets. Whether you want to add a touch of professionalism to your reports, brand your work, or simply keep things looking neat and official, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to insert your watermark onto your sheet in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have your Google Sheet open and you're on the specific sheet where you want your watermark to appear. It might sound simple, but taking a moment at the start to make sure you're on the right tab saves you a lot of hassle later. If you've got multiple tabs at the bottom, double-check that you're selecting the one intended for this little upgrade. Next, head up to the Insert menu at the very top of the screen. You'll see it sitting between Edit and Format in that row of options. Go ahead and click on it. This menu is like the toolbox for your sheet. It's where you find all kinds of helpful tools like inserting charts, functions, or in our case, images. Now from the drop-down, hover your mouse over the word Image. You'll notice two choices, Image in Cell and Image over Cells. Here's the key detail, choose Image over Cells. This option lets your watermark sit on top of the actual cells in your sheet, not inside a specific box. That means your logo will float transparently across multiple cells, sort of like a protective stamp. This is great if you want your image visible without interfering with your data or formatting. If you accidentally select the other option, no worries, just back up and try again. Now you'll be prompted to either upload an image from your computer or select one from your Google Drive. Normally, your watermark or logo will be a PNG or JPG image file you've designed ahead of time, maybe in Photoshop, Canva, or even something as simple as Paint. If you haven't already created your watermark, I recommend making one with a transparent background so it looks smooth and professional on your sheet, rather than blocking out your data with a big white box. Once you've found the right image, simply select it and click Open. Here, where a lot of people pause for a second, wondering if the image is in the right place or the right size. When you upload your watermark, Google Sheets automatically pops it onto your sheet as a movable and resizable image. Click and drag the corners of the image to shrink or enlarge your watermark until it looks just right. You can move it anywhere you'd like, top left for a subtle look or front and center if you want it to be obvious. Take a little time to position it where it feels balanced. If the watermark covers any important content, just resize it or move it to a less critical area. Don't worry if it's not perfect the first time, you can always adjust it later. And there you have it, you've added a professional watermark or logo image right over your Google Sheet. It adds a level of polish and protects your data in a subtle yet clear way. If you run into any hiccups like the image not appearing or getting in the way, just repeat those steps or leave me a comment below and I'll help you troubleshoot. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give this video a like, and if you still have questions or want tips on making great watermarks, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.